What was the other thing I was going to say? Yeah. Uh-oh.
Hey everybody, welcome back to Retired Renovators. This is the YouTube channel that my husband Gary and I have created to document the restoration of our big brick house and carriage house in Paducah, Kentucky. So today I want to talk about how we made the apron around the porch outside with lattice that we cut ourselves. It looks super easy, but it was pretty labor intensive, and so I want to show you a couple things that Gary did related to that. The good news is it was inexpensive the way we did it. The bad news is extremely labor intensive.
I've been working on how to do the skirts that go around our new front porch. There's the Kumaru decking on top, and then on the sides, it used to be brick wall. And that, of course, as you saw in another video, it came apart pretty easily. So we decided not to rebuild it as brick because for Kumaru you need ventilation underneath the deck, a lot of air moving through, and so a brick wall would certainly prevent that from happening. So instead we're going to go with something like this, where it's a sort of a window, but it's made out of lattice. And to make the lattice, I'm using pressure treated lumber. I'm ripping it down on the table saw there, and we decided to go with a 3/8 thick lattice and a 1 1/4 inch wide. And the part that is closest to the outside will be the vertical ones, and the part that's more inside are the horizontal ones that run this way. The frame, as I said, is made out of 1x4 pressure treated lumber. So it's actually going to be 3/4 inch thick and about 3.5 inches wide. This frame will be painted white, like you see here, but the lattice will be painted black. So all these slats will be painted black. We're going to, of course, paint them first before they're assembled into the whole frame like this.
If you could take just a moment and hit the subscribe button, we'd really appreciate it. It shows YouTube that people are watching the video, and it helps the analytics, and it makes us feel good. So just hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. It's free.